Hello, my name is Teacher Sylvia with Options for Learning, and today's activity will be counting. Counting is a basic math skill, and many children know how to count rotely, where they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they know the numbers from memory, which is a great beginning skill. So you want them to learn quantity. You want them to learn one-to-one correspondence, which means the number 1 represents 1 item. The number 2 represents 2 items. So the way to do that is with a beginner, you could start with maybe 5 objects, and then you want to teach your child to place the objects in a line on the table. I'm using buttons, but if you don't have buttons, you can count anything. You can count utensils you have at home. You can count stickers. You can count markers or crayons. You can count the number of people in your family. You can count the number of shoes you have, the number of toys they have. Anything you can just count how many grapes, how many crackers on your plate. But for this activity, I'm using buttons. So you want to teach your child to line up the things on the table, whatever it is you're using, and teach them what we call one-to-one correspondence. So when I say the number 1, that means 1 item, 1 object. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to model for your child and then have them try to say it after you. So what that does is that gives the children an idea of what does 3 look like. Oh, okay, there's 3 objects there. I see 3. So the word 3 makes sense when they see 3 objects. They make that connection to 3 objects. With beginners, you may want to start simple, even as simple as 3. You might want to start with in increments of 5, so try 5. Intermediate children, you can have them work with 10 objects and have them line them up. Children that are more advanced level, you can have them count up as high as they can count. You can go 15, 20 objects. If they can count higher than that, then that's great too. Oftentimes when children are counting higher, they may miss numbers, and that's okay, just repetition, they're still learning. But make sure they have a good grasp of the first 5, the first 10 before you jump into a higher level. And that's it, that's my activity. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.